Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome, one and all, to the third session of Nifty Banker, India's first retail Bank Nifty Traders online conference. Friends, it's great pleasure to see you all again with yet another interesting story today. The planned session was by Mr. Gomati Shankar. However, we have rescheduled and replaced him with Mr. Saket because of some emergencies. So, request your uh, pardon for the same. So his topic today is about short straddles for earning consistent monthly income. To give a quick introduction about Saket, Saket is from Bangalore. He is graduated from Christ University. He's a young boy, maybe 21, 22 years old. Really done a very decent job as far as trading is concerned. He manages a sizable portfolio of funds. He has done, though his strategies are so simple, but his discipline, his process, and his consistency has resulted in amazing returns over the last 1 year. Okay, so you will be hearing more about Saket in his session. Well, Saket, on behalf of the entire family, I'll extend my warm greetings and I welcome you into the program today.
Thank you very much, sir. It's my pleasure being on the
So the stage
program.
is yours, Saket. Go ahead and we will connect again after the discussion for the Q&A. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Good morning, one and all. So this is Saket. I think sir already gave a quick introduction about me. So I will be just moving directly into the topic. So the topic we will be covering today is how to earn consistent monthly income using short straddle. So here we will be trying to use system-based trading. So we'll try to develop a simple system from which you can earn consistent profit. So yeah, many people try to use charts, technicals, and try to see, okay, after it breaks this level, I will try to buy. After it breaks down this level, I will sell. And people randomly buy put options, people randomly buy call options, and without much data, without much idea about how this is actually going to turn out. So now we will just be seeing simple strategy, short strategy, but it is extremely effective. And we are going to see how we can use this short strategy to earn income, regular monthly income. So before we start, we will first see what are the contents which we'll be covering today. First is why people lose money. So there are few important things why people actually lose money, and we will try to address all of those in the system or the strategy which we build. Next, the most important thing is we have to understand the market data. So only when we know how the market behaves, like, or how the market has behaved over the years, we can actually try to make something out of it. So only if I know that, okay, there is a X amount of probability that market will move this particular amount, only then I can actually make something out of it. And the third one is about strategy and modification. Fourth one is building the trading system. And then finally, the advantage of using a system-based trade. So before everything, it is very important to know that who exactly am I. So we have started a firm called as Optionables FinTech LLP. So you can check that out on. We are present across social media platforms, that is Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, as well as Instagram is actually our main platform. So you can check us out there. So it's very important for you to know who exactly are we, because it's important, since you have paid and you have come to learn. It's fair for you to expect someone who is credible enough to tell you something. And our capital has been around. So I'll be just giving you this financial year performance because our company started in December of 2019. So December of 2019, and from April 1st we have been trading. So this has been our average capital, around 1 crore 10 lakh is what we have deployed. And this year alone, that is from April 1st, 2020 to 2021 of February 14th, so I haven't considered today, we have made somewhere close to 1 crore 62 lakh as a gross profit. So this is around 136% total return. So we have made across futures, options, as well as equities. So from all three, we have made some substantial returns. So it's very important for you to know how credible are we. So am I just putting across these numbers out of nowhere, or do I actually have a source backing it? So I will just be sharing the ledger if it's possible. I don't know where exactly I can put this across. Maybe I will ask sir to share it with you. So I'll be sharing my entire ledger with you guys just to show that okay, so what I'm telling now is not a I'm not trying to bluff by what I'm telling, and we actually have the profits. And then not just that, and you can also check that out on YouTube, because we stream our entire day trade every day, whether it's a profit or a loss. If you go to YouTube, you're going to see days when we are going to have 6 lakh loss, days when we are going to have around 15 lakh profit. Everything is quite clearly visible on YouTube. We don't try to hide anything, so you can check that out there as well. So I will try to share the ledger. So it's right here. I will ask sir how exactly I can send it across to you guys. So uh, so so this is just to show that we can so the system what we have used, I would like to share it with you guys. That's the whole point behind this idea, because this is a ledger and you have every day's P&L, and this is from our broker ledger itself. So the idea behind this is just to show that we have done this using a system, and we would want to teach the same system to you guys as well. So you can check out Optionable elsewhere, like as in different platforms. You can check us out on YouTube. You can check us out on Twitter. So now, first, we should address the main problem: why people lose money. So the first reason, there is no consistency in strategy. So when I say there is no consistency in strategy, let's say today I see, okay, today someone tells, okay, the market is going to go up. So what I do, I go randomly buy call options. Then I see the market falling. I randomly sell call options whenever I want, or I will start buying put options. I start shorting futures. Then someone tells, okay, when someone let's say uses technical analysis, and let's say there's some resistance, and after it breaks the resistance, he tells, okay, I'm going to buy after the stock breaks this particular, let's say this is the stock price, and I'm going to buy after the stock breaks the resistance. But let's say the stock actually does not end up breaking the resistance, or I'll just draw that to show you a quick idea. Let's say this is the stock. After it breaks this resistance, let's say I will buy. But it breaks the resistance, but unfortunately it's a false breakout, it falls. And you will be like, okay, this strategy is not working, I'll try something else now. So there's no consistency in strategy. When that is the case, I won't be able to measure how exactly will the strategy work. So no strategy will give you 100% accuracy. There is no strategy which you can achieve 100% accuracy. So you can only achieve quite a good amount of accuracy, say around 50%, 55%, 60%. That is quite enough for you to make very big money. And that is what exactly we try to do while building a system. So we try to focus on profitability, probability, as well as consistency. So the most important thing is you have to stick on to a strategy and repeat it over and over again. So when, let's say, a strategy has a probability of 50%, or I will assume that, okay, a strategy has a probability of 60%. It doesn't mean that out of 5 trades, 3 trades have to be profitable. There is absolutely no need for that to be true. So it can, let's say you take 20 trades total, right? So the strategy can be something like loss, 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 win, win, loss, loss. Then again, you can have continuous streak of wins. So a strategy can also turn out to be this. So there is absolutely no guarantee that when you say the strategy is 60% probability of profit, that if you take 5 trades, you need to get 3 trades at least profitable. So that is one thing to understand. So next, if we move on, then when you randomly take trades, you randomly enter whenever you want, you randomly exit whenever you want. There's absolutely nothing, no data for you to test what is the probability of profit, or how exactly this strategy is going to play out in the longer run. The most important thing for that is data. And when you randomly enter and randomly exit, there's no way you will be able to measure the past performances. And then there is no data regarding the strategy risk. So you have no idea if the VIX is at a particular level, and if you end up doing this, what is the amount of risk you will be having. So when you randomly do things, there's absolutely no data regarding those. And when you don't have data, that's when the risk comes, because Buffett rightly quotes that risk is something what you get from not knowing what you do. When you know what you do, it's not really called a risk. And next comes no data regarding probability. So if I randomly buy a stock after it breaks the resistance, how do I know what is the probability it is going to go up from there? Absolutely nothing. And then discretionary trades. Okay, so this is one of the most important things. I will just highlight that because this is very important. Uh, this makes most of the difference. So let's say I randomly get up today, I feel very excited, or I have something, I have a bias in my mind that, okay, market is positive. So if the market starts falling, I was like, okay, market is positive. If it starts falling, there is definitely going to be buy on dip. So I will be long no matter what. So a personal bias or a personal opinion will have a lot of bias on the trade you take. And this is very important to understand because your personal biases will have a huge impact on the trading or the trades you take basically. So when you build a system and yeah, the major advantage is when you build a system, you will basically be removing all these personal biases. And finally, wrong position sizing and capital management. So let's say there are many people who, let's say they come with 50,000, put 35,000 in an option buy trade, where the probability is just 10% of making money, and they end up losing everything. Many people do that. They absolutely have no idea about position sizing as well as capital management, and this is the main risk what comes from trading on a personal bias. So like when I say personal bias, without any idea or without any knowledge of what exactly is happening. So then finally the overnight risk. This is highly personal opinion. So there are many successful traders who do really well with overnight positions, but I personally don't prefer overnight positions because I don't know what is going to happen overnight. I just want to have a very nice sleep. So that is the main aim if I trade. So this is a very personal opinion, so nothing to do with. So I'm not telling that carrying overnight position is a bad thing. It is 100% fine if you are comfortable doing that. So apart from that, all these things back, that is wrong position sizing, wrong capital management, discretionary, personal bias trades, no data, and no consistency in strategy. These are going to cause problems whether you are doing positional trading or whether you are doing intraday trading. So all these are going to solve problems. So now what we are going to do is we are going to build a simple system, but very effective one. So a very effective